These are very beautiful. It's mid-October and they're still alive. We've had some ice. They're very tall. Jiminy Christmas. I think they're probably 15 feet tall. Maybe 12, but they sure look tall. But he planted a couple of potatoes in here, sunchokes. I call them potatoes. And they grow under the ground. They're a root crop. And we're going to find out just what we've produced this year. Lots of them in there. Oh, there's a few raspberries. Those go till November. They start early in the spring and go till November. They're an ever-bearing raspberry that I don't know anything about other than I got them from my mother, and there's lots of them in October.